Have you ever wondered how to build a compact PC that's powerful, cool, and modern? The answer lies in AIO liquid cooling. In this video, we'll explore why AIO cooling is becoming the trend for ITX builds. ITX PCs are renowned for their compact size, but this also comes with major cooling challenges. Using air coolers in such tight spaces can lead to high temperatures, compromising overall system performance. AIO, all-in-one liquid cooling, is the perfect solution. Its compact design allows better space utilization, effectively dissipates heat outside the case through the radiator, and significantly enhances overall performance without adding bulk to your build. Here are the key advantages of using AIO for ITX builds. Superior cooling performance. Keeps your CPU cool, even during overclocking. Aesthetic appeal. Sleek designs with RGB lighting for a modern look. Ease of installation. Many AIOs are specially designed for ITX builds, like 120mm or 240mm radiators. When choosing an AIO for your ITX case, keep these points in mind. Will the radiator size fit your case? Does the CPU block height interfere with RAM or GPU clearance? Go for reputable brands like NZXT, Corsair, or Cooler Master to ensure quality. AIO liquid cooling not only solves thermal issues, but also elevates the aesthetics and performance of your ITX PC. If you're planning to build an ITX rig, consider going for an AIO cooler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful videos. Interested in AIO coolers? Check out MINIGEAR.shop for the best options tailored to ITX cases.